Welcome back to ChemQuiz TV. So let's look at what one important aspect in chemistry foundation, which is called unit conversion in length, area, and what volume. I can tell you that this particular topic is one topic that will give student challenges. So in this video here, I will teach you how to convert 9 for centimeter to yard, and for meter squared to what inch square, and for what feet cube to what miles cube. This is what length, and this is what area, and this is volume. So the goal in this video is by the end of this video you should be able to what do any conversion relating to this. So you really want to stick to the end of this video because you have to what master it by the end of this video. And if you are new here, I have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you find value, if you find value in this video as you're watching, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment at the comment section. I really want to hear from you. So how do you do this conversion here? The first thing you want to do is to what know the relationship in length. Do that. Now, when you are in your secondary school or your beginner stage, now the relationship in length is what centimeter, meter, and what kilometer. Do you understand? Now, as you move further, you need to understand that length can be measured in what? In miles, in yard, in feet, in inch. Do you get that? So these are other units you can actually what? Measure length with. Do you understand? As a student or as a chemistry student or as a science student, you should be able to convert from one unit to what to the other. Now I've done unit conversion on pressure. I've done unit conversion on what? On mass. Do you get that? So this is going to be for length, area, and what? Volume. So if you still have issue with what how to convert from one different unit to what in pressure, then you can check out the description or you can check out my channel. You see video on that. Also, you what in mass, I've done video on that, so you can also check that out. So now the first thing you want to do here, before you can do any conversion, the first thing you want to do is to what know their relationship. Their relationship will help us to what to convert from one unit to the other. Remember, here we have 100 centimeter equals to what 1 meter. So if, for example, here you are converting from centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter, what you want to do is to know this relationship. It's from this relationship. If, for example, someone says you convert 25 cm to what? To meter. It's very easy here. Do you understand? Now, in your secondary school here, you know that 100 cm is also what 1 meter, right? Then we are converting to meter. You're going to be what x meter, and you're going to be what 25 centimeter. What we want to do is to cross multiply, right? Now, but we are not going to use this thing here. I'm going to show you a simple method so that you're able to know how to convert this one here. So these are what my various relationships. These are standard relationship. Please, how do I memorize thing? Now you have to know it. Now time will come when you start using it, you get used to you. At first, it gave me more challenges, but as I keep on using this stuff here, it's now what used to me. So here we have 1 miles is equal to what 1760 yard. Then 1 yard equals to what 3 feet. 1 feet equals to what 12 inch. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. 100 centimeter equals to what 1 meter. Then 1000 meter equals to what kilometer. We are going to start from the beginning aspect for the simple one. So I'll wind this one out. So if, for example, here they say convert 25 centimeter to what? To meter. Do you get that? Therefore, you have to what to write the relation between centimeter and meter. Now, what is the relation between centimeter and meter? For every 100 cm cube, I have what 1 meter. Do you get that? So it's going to be the relation of 100 centimeter is equal to what 1 meter. This is what the standard relation between centimeter and what meter. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to use what dimension analysis. Now we are converting from centimeter to what meter. Our final destination is going to be what meter. So it will be a question mark. That's I want to express one in a mathematical statement. So question mark meter is equals to what? I'm converting what 25 centimeter. Do you get that? So I'm going to say over 1. Do you get that? So this one is in this statement here. Do you get that? Times. Now I'll put a division sign here. Now in dimension analysis, when I convert from one into the other, after knowing the relationship, you have to arrange it in such a way that they are going to cancel each other. Do you get that? What do I mean here? Remember, I have 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Centimeter is already at the top. Now, I'm going to show you that centimeter what will go to the so that they can easily cancel out. So, 100 centimeter will be at the down, then 1 meter will be at the top. Do you get that? So, that centimeter and centimeter what will go at. Do you understand? Equals to, going to be 25 times what? 1 meter over what? 100. Do you get that? So, when I do the calculation, it's going to be 25 what meter over what? 100. So if I should divide it, 0.25 what meter. It means that it means that 25 centimeter equals to what? 0.25 what meter. You understand? This is just an easy one. Okay, now let me ask here. What about if we are being asked to convert? Please follow me closely. What about if you are being asked to convert 25 cm square to what? M meter what square? How do we do that? So now I want to explain to you. Please follow me closely here. So here we are converting what? 25 cm square to what? Meter what square? This one is an area. The first one we did is what? Is length. This one is an area. Do you get that? So how do you do that here? Is follow the same pattern, the same procedure of what I use. Do you get that? So the first one to do here is so what? Look for the relation between centimeter and what? Meter. So what the relationship? Of course is what? For 100 cm is equals to what? 1 meter. Do you get that? Now, because is what is square, what am I going to do here? The only thing I'm going to do here is to introduce square into the what? Relationship. Do you get that? So because here I have square here, is just to introduce square into the relationship. Do you understand? That is the only thing you have to do here. Next thing you want to do here, remember we are converting to what? Meter square, right? So it's going to be meter square is equals to, here we have 25 cm square over what? 1 times. Now the same thing here, centimeter will go to the distance, so they can easily cancel out. Then 1 meter square will go to the top. So here we have 1 meter all square. Here we have 100 cm all what square. Now, so basically, now when I explain this thing in class, some people ask me, can please, if I should introduce square here, won't I square this one here? You don't need to square it. Do you understand? Because it's already in what is already represented in what in square. This is already what in square or area. Do you understand? So square, which is what? Area. So then what I'm going to do here. So yeah, for me to solve it here, I need to break this thing down. Here we have 25 cm square over 1 times. Here we have 1 meter or square. Remember, I can write it as this 100. 100 just the same as 10 raised to 2, right? So here I can say 10 raised to 2 centimeter or square. If I should open the bracket here, I'm going to have 25 cm square over 1 times. So now if I should have 1 meter or square, what does it mean? That 1 times 1, which is what? 1 meter times meter what? Square. Do you understand? So here I'm going to have 1 meter square. This is that. Now here, if I have 10 square cm or square, what does it mean? Mean that 2 times 2, which is what? 10 is what? 4. Do you get that? Then here we have centimeter times centimeter equals to centimeter what? Square. So it will be 10 is 4 centimeter what? Square. Do you understand? So let me write this place here. So you can see that centimeter square, you can see that meter square, right? So it means that meter square is equals to, here we have 25 times what? 1 meter square over what? 4 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4. You get it? Now this one is also the same as what? 25 meter square over what? 4 what? 0. So if you should do the calculation, So here I have 0.0025 meter square. So you can see how easy it is. Now we are going to do more problem. So now let this one here. Convert 250 yard to feet. So how do you convert 250 yard to feet? How do you convert 250 yard to feet? Now listen me carefully. To convert yard to feet, now I need to know the relation between yard and feet. Do you get? Is there any relation between yard and feet? If I should look at the second one here, we have 1 yard equals to 3 feet. So this is what I'm going to use. So I want to use 1 yard equals to 3 what? Feet. This is that. So now I want to express one in a mathematical statement using dimension analysis. Now I'm converting yard to feet. So my final answer is going to be what in feet, right? Equals to now I'm converting what 250 yard. Do that over what 1. So this one here, as we expressed it to that one here, you understand? Times this one I'm going to use what my relationship here. Now 1 yard equals to 3 feet. Now when you are using dimension analysis, you must arrange the unit in a way that will cancel out each other. In the sense that because yard is already at the numerator, I'm going to bring yard in as what denominator. So it will be 1 yard. Just 1 what yard. They are going to have what 3 feet. This is that. Now the main reason why I do like is that yard you cancel out what yard. There's no way 3 feet to go to the down because you cannot cancel. Do you understand? So that's going to be what 250 times 3 feet over what 1. If you multiply it, here we have 750 what feet. It means that for every 250 what yard, I have what 750 what feet. Do you understand? Okay, now if for example here, they say 16 what feet to what 16 feet cube to what yard cube. Now let's convert this one. Do you get that? If for example here we have 16 feet cube to what yard cube, how do you convert that? It's very easy. So therefore, write the relation between feet and yard. What is the relation between feet and yard? Here we have for every 1 yard I have 3 feet, right? So I'm going to write it 1 yard equals to 3 what feet. Now because here I have cube here, the only thing I want to do is to introduce what cube. Do you understand? Is to introduce what cube. Now I'm using what dimension analysis, right? So I'm going to express one in a mathematical system so I can use dimension analysis. Now it's very easy to what express it. Now my final answer or my destination is what is yard cube, right? So it's going to be yard cube equals to, now I'm converting what 16 feet what cube over what 1. Do you understand? Let's say times. Now how am I going to arrange it here? Now because my feet is already at the top, this my feet will go to the distance side. They can what after everything they can cancel out. Do you get that? So remember when you arrange it after when you are converting, you must arrange them in a way they cancel each other. That is a dimension analysis. So you must always arrange them in a way they will cancel each other. So if this one should come down, here are what 3 feet or what cube. They have what 1 yard or what cube. You understand? So what am I going to do here? So I'm going to say equal to. Now I'm going to go 16 feet or cube over 1 times. Now if I should open this bracket here, so we're going to be 1 raised to 3 and what yard raised to 3, right? If I should open the bracket, so it's going to be 1 yard what cube. Do you understand? The same thing here. Now this one here you're seeing here, 3 feet or cube. Also say that 3 raised to 3, then feet or raised to 3, right? 3 raised to 3 is what should be 27. So 3 raised to 3 is what is 27. So it will be 27 feet or what cube. You understand? So that feet cube comes out feet cube. So what am I left with? I'm going to go to 16 times 1 yard cube over what? 20 what? 7. Just that. So yeah, it's going to be what? 16 yard cube over what? 27. So now let's do the calculation here. So here we go 0.59 what? Yard cube. What does it mean? It means that 16 feet cube is equals to what? 0.59 what? Yard what? Cube. Do you understand now? So now let's take another one that is not direct relationship, because the one we have been doing since that what direct what relationship. So let's take the one that is not direct relationship and see how we can what convert it. Look at this one on the board here. 9 cm to what? Yard. So how do you convert it here? Now the ones we have solved in this video previously, they have direct what relationship, like meter to what centimeter and a yard to what to feet. You understand? But however, if you check this one here, there is no direct relationship between two of them. Do you get that? So if you say that for me to convert from centimeter to what yard, from what my relationship here, there is no direct relationship. So that is, I'm going to move from centimeter to what to inch, then from inch to what to feet, and then from feet to what to yard. Do you understand? So in saying that I want to move from centimeter to what to inch, then from inch I want to move to what feet, then from feet I want to move to what to yard. Do you understand? So I move from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, because I'm converting what centimeter to what to yard. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to write the relation between centimeter and what an inch. So here we have 2.54 centimeter is equals to what? 1 what inch. 1 what inch. Do you see that? 2.54 centimeter is equals to what? 1 inch. Now what is the relation between inch and feet? Here we have 12 inch. 12 inch is equals to what? 1 what feet. Then what is the relation between feet and yard? Here we have 3 feet equals to what? 1 yard. This is that. So now let's do the conversion here. Remember, I'm going to express one in mathematical statement because I'm using dimension analysis here. So the final destination is going to be what? Yard. Yard equals to. Now here we have what? 9 centimeter over what? 1 times. So I'm going to take them one by one. Do you get that? So now let's take the first one here. 2.54 centimeter equals to what? 1 inch. Remember, in dimension analysis, I must arrange such a way that they are going to cancel out each other, right? So if I should put division sign here, now centimeter will have to go to the down because so they can cancel out. So 1 inch, you go to the top, right? Then 1 inch you want to go to the top. Then 2.54 centimeter we go to the down, right? So centimeter we cancel out centimeter. This is times. Put the division sign again. I'm not going to use the second one. You understand? Now 12 inch we go to the down. Then 1 feet will go to the top. So it's going to be 1 feet over what? 12 what inch. So an inch and inch what to go out. Do you understand? Times. I have to manage space here. So since feet is at the top, feet will go to the down. So here we have what? 3 what? Feet. 3 what? Feet. Here we have what? 1 yard. So what will happen here? Feet and feet what will go out. After doing that here, what I'm going to get is what? 9 times 1 what? Yard over what? 2.54 times 12 times 3. You understand? So if you should do it here, we have 9 what? Yards over. When you multiply this one here, we have 91.44. Do you get that? So when you divide it, here we have 0.098 yard. You get it? So that is your answer. So I will drop one for you now for you to try. Then before you can step it up. I will drop one for you to try before we step it up. Go ahead and convert this one. 162 inch to what? To meter. Pause the video and try it. Let me see what you can do. Pause the video and try it. So now let's do it together here. So you have moved forward from inch towards meter, right? From inch towards meter. So how are you going to do that? So therefore, what can I move to? Remember, from inch, I'll move towards to centimeter, and for centimeter, I'll move towards to meter, right? So here I have what 1 inch. 1 inch is equal to what 2.54 centimeter, right? Here I have what 100 centimeter equals to what 1 what meter. That so I'm using what these two relationship here. So if I should use my dimension analysis here, now I'm converted to what to meter, right? Because what 162 what inch over what 1 times. If I should use the first one here, inch is already at the top. So I'll go to the down. So you have 2.54 centimeter. Then here I have what 1 what inch. It's okay. Times what again? Now it's not cancel this one here. Centimeter is already, sorry, let me put it here. Centimeter is already at the top, so this one go to it and so here I have 1 meter over what 100 what centimeter. So you can see that this and this what will go out, right? So here I have what 162 times 2.54 times 1 meter divided by what 100. So if you should do this one here, so if I should multiply this one this times this, give me what 411.48 what meter over what 100. If I should divide it, here I have what 4.114 what 8 what meter. Do you understand now? So now let's take it what further. Let's 162 inch cube to what meter what cube. It's the same thing we have done. The only thing we have introduced here is my cube. Remember, I'm going to come out from inch to what centimeter, and then from centimeter to what to meter, right? So what are the relationship am I going to use? I'm going to use 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeter, and you have 100 centimeter equals to 1 what meter. Now because there's a cube here, I want to cube it. I'm introducing what my cube only. Do you understand? I'm introducing what my cube. So now let's do the conversion here. Remember, we are converting to what meter what cube equals to what we are using what 162 inch cube over what 1 times. So now let's say the first one here, inch. Remember, inch should be at the down, right? So here I have 2.54 centimeter or what cube. Here I have 1 inch. 1 inch or what cube times. Here we have here now because centimeter is already at the top, don't go to the down. So here we have 1 meter or what cube. Here we have 100 centimeter or what cube. So if you do this here we have 162 inch cube over what 1 times. Now if we should open the bracket here, now going to be 2.54 all cube. Do you understand? So going to be 2.54 all cube, which is 16.38704.8. You understand? Centimeter what cube over here going to be what 1 inch cube. This is that it times here we have 1 meter what cube. Remember, 100 is also the same as 10 over 2, right? So if I should what cube this one here, going to be what 2 times 2, which is going to be 6. So it's going to be 10 over 6 centimeter what cube. This is that. So this will cancel out this, right? And this will cancel out this one here. So I can now wipe the board. Come up to wipe the board here, so I can see space to solve. So here we have meter out cube equals to what? So it will be 162 times 16 387,048 times 1 meter what cube over what? Here we have 10 raised out 6. You see that? So you just for it to punch your calculator here. Now this one is also the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? C same here. So going to be 0.0026547. That will be the what answer meter out cube. That is the what answer. So we are going to end our class here, but I would like to give you something for you to what to do. So go ahead and try this for me. You try this at your own spare time. Try to convert the following. Convert the following. Here we have 25 meter square to kilo to feet square and 160 feet cube to what my cube. So go ahead and try this for me. I hope this video is helpful. Please give it a like. This video is helpful, and also share with your friends who will also need this kind of content here. Please subscribe because more videos are coming under what chemistry that will help you understand chemistry faster and better. So if you are still having issues with what conversion factor in mass, then check out this video. My next video is going to be on density. After that, we move to what a difficult one. So please make sure you follow my channel on a constant basis because I drop videos on a constant basis. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.